Quick tip: TD Bank charges a $35 fee for paid overdrafts. One small overdraft can trigger that fee every time you go negative. Good news: you can prevent those fees by enabling overdraft protection in the TD app. First, open the TD Bank app and sign in with your username and password. Tap Accounts, then choose the checking account you want to protect. Look for Overdraft Protection or Manage Overdraft in your account settings. Choose a linked account such as savings, money market, or a credit line. Select Link an account and pick the eligible account you want to use for transfers. Enable automatic transfers so TD moves funds to cover shortfalls automatically. Turn on low balance alerts and transaction notifications to catch problems early. Tip: keep a small buffer and review linked accounts monthly to avoid surprises. Open the TD app now and review your overdraft settings to avoid $35 fees.